Introducing our new addition. This is a toaster oven. Also has a bunch of other features. Look how nice. When you open it, it turns on. I am going to put in some raisin bread to test it out. Let's see. Here we have all of the functions. The two that were the most important to us was dehydrate, air fry, but then look at all these other ones, how cool. Over here, it knows how many slices you put in. Over here is the shade that you want. And I think I want, oops, hold on, let me figure this out. Okay, so for the shade, which means if you like your toast dark or lighter, is over here. And I think I'm going to do like a 3 and see what happens. Over here we have the, oh, I just turned it off. Hang on. Okay, so shade we had said a 2, and oh, I'm sorry, over here is the start and stop. Okay, so it says what, it's not really a bagel, it's actually a piece of toast, but I think it's doing something. I'm not too sure. I don't know, I have to figure this out, guys. I'll let you know if this worked. But look how pretty it is. It is a Ninja. Yes, I just opened it. And it is getting hot in there. So I actually did this right. Mama, Ginger, who's there? Ginger, who's there? Oh, I know what she wants. Sushi did not finish her food, and she wants her food. That's not for you, Mama. That's not for you. That's for your sister. Down here I have Maple, Meeps, and Sushi. Sushi, you want your food? Hang on. Let's go see outside, because I think my water jugs got here. Yep. There are my water jugs. Awesome. Now we have water. No, Mama, we're not going outside. Meepies, leave her alone. Well, hello, Joseph. Hi, Jojo. He's getting so old. He's 12 years old. Come here, Papa. And he doesn't like people. He doesn't like dogs. He doesn't like... You see? You see? Uh-oh, my toast is done. Did you guys hear that? Let's go see how it turned out. It's blinking. Can you guys see it blinking? Oh, it says end. Let's see if I like it like this. Or if I want it toastier. Oh no, definitely toastier. So we know that's not the level I want. So let's do 3, let's do 4. And let's start. And then here is how many minutes it's going to be in there. So it's going to be in there about 4 minutes. I burnt it. That's okay. I'll still eat it. I don't mind. Just gonna lather it up with some butter. So I lathered it up with some butter. And guys, I pretty much eat anything and everything, so the fact that it's a little burnt doesn't bother me. Now over here, I have some stuff that I bought from Amazon. I got this classic caramel syrup for my coffee. Hold on, because I do want to rinse this off. Hang on. Let's give this a sniff. Smells so yummy. Okay, now we're going to put this in here and seal it up. And then there we go. I'm gonna add it to my little collection. I have other ones that are coming, but I have a vanilla one back here. So we're going to just put this one back here with it, like that. I'm trying to create a little gourmet coffee station, in case you guys are wondering. Now the rest of the stuff that's in here is just more of the coffee we drink here in the house. And basically what I do is that I just pour it in there. Oops, I'm gonna need one now because I'm gonna make some espresso for me. Put that back. Later I'll put all of those. Let's get a little cup. Let's get some sugar. Later on, or sometime this weekend, today is Saturday, so maybe either today or tomorrow, which tomorrow happens to be Father's Day. So tonight we are taking out my husband to dinner, but I want to make a matcha latte. So maybe later on today or tomorrow I will do that for you guys. So now I am going to go have my burnt toast with my cafecito. Alright guys, see you guys later. Bye for now. Now the rest of these go in here. So this is what it's looking like here. Amazing weather for those of you who do not know me. I absolutely love this weather. Love it, love it, love it. The more thunder, the more lightning, the more I like it. So I just got out of the mall. I did my eyebrows. They were very, very bushy and very, very ugly. And I also bought the white linen from Estee Lauder, the body powder. I'm going to show you guys in a second. Hang on one second. So here is the body powder. What do they call this? They call this, perfumed body powder. And it's the white linen scent. And the last time I had this, I had the Beautiful, also by Estee Lauder. But this is what it looks like. It's just a little container, and inside it comes with a little powder thing so that you can put on your body.
Oh, this one smells so good. The other one smelled good as well, but this one smells really, really good, and I just like to get different ones, you know, whenever I come. Alrighty guys, so I am going to end this vlog here. I am going to head home. It is 1:23. We have reservations tonight for dinner for my husband at 6 p.m. So I'm just gonna go home, relax with him, and then later on take a shower and go eat. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. That was a big thunder. I love it. Bye.